Construction worker fatally shot by cops in Manchester. Missing man's body discovered at Forum Beach. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Independent Commission of Investigations is probing the fatal shooting of a construction worker during a reported confrontation with the police in Davyton, Manchester on Saturday. The deceased is Andre Knight, alias Boxer, a resident of Davyton. He is said to have been in his 40s. The police reported that about 4:30 a.m., a team of law enforcers went to a house in the area with a search warrant. On entering the building, the police were reportedly confronted by Knight, who was armed with a firearm. He was subsequently shot and a pistol was seized. The injured man was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The matter was reported to Indocom and a probe was subsequently launched into the incident. The body of a man who has been missing since Thursday was found on Saturday in an unfinished building in Bayside, Portmore, in the vicinity of the Forum Beach. He has been identified as 24-year-old Marco Mitch Donner. A passerby reportedly stumbled on the body and alerted the police. The news media also understands that a belt was found around his neck.